Yeah, it used to be the old school way, and you'd go up and you'd use geometry and take measurements. And with the way things are nowadays, it's pretty cool. We can use satellite imagery, and so we have a couple different services we use that take all of the measurements that we need, and they're accurate down to the inch. So we know exactly how many square feet we're dealing with, what the length of the drip edge and the metal flashings are. We can see the penetration, so we can really zone in and get an idea of exactly what it's going to take to replace that roof system, and that way we can keep the pricing on target too. We don't have to add any fluff or anything like that for just in case. We can determine both exactly how many square feet or linear feet of the material we need, and based on the complexity of the roof system, we can even calculate what the proper amount of waste factor is. If we have somebody that's interested in getting a quote, they're ready to get their roof replaced, that's our next step. Is we would order that satellite imagery, and we would use that information to put the quote together. We can always typically ballpark someone if they're in the shopping phase and they're not ready to go, but they want to know, I want to get an idea what it's going to cost to replace my roof. We can always help with that as well. But at the time we know we're ready to go, we would go ahead and pay and have the service get the satellite imagery.